The antenna doesn't go up and down, and I'm almost certain that that is the reason the radio does not work. Passenger right wheel. Passenger front right wheel. Driver front left wheel. Passenger or driver left rear wheel. Now for a cold start. I'm trying to note all of the issues that it does have. Really, it's just the noticeable dent on the driver fender, no, passenger fender, I believe. I noted it in the video. Here is the cold start. Turn the lights on so that way you can see. Oil pressure. Actual miles, 45,064. Absolutely no check engine lights. The lights do work. The headlights do work. Zoom out. Pull it out of the garage now and do a warm start after it warms up. Go over the interior portion of the detailed video. So of course the door seal is a little bit scratched up. I'm unaware if those were optional from the dealer or optional from the factory. Noted there are some scratches in the plastics right here. The cubbies are in good shape. Speakers, good shape. Do the passenger side and then we'll go to the trunk. Floor mats are in very good shape. They just have a little bit of dirt in them. Door seal is in pretty good shape on this, but of course, you know, the obvious getting in and out scratches. Flip up the mat. Very good shape. Very good shape. There's a receipt. Let's see what it's for. This is for the bonnet fastener, the hood insulator fasteners. I'll go to that here in just a short period of time. Show that to everybody. Put that back in the glove box. And do this side back here. Cubby is in very good shape. Here's one of the handbooks, included with the sale, of course. Owner's manual. 1997 or 1994 owner's manual. John Champion. Take the owner's manual out right quick. Put it back up. The warranty information is also included with it. I have more paperwork that I actually brought with me. I'm going to take pictures of that here shortly and hopefully get them posted to Bring a Trailer. Let me go to put that back up where I got it from in the cubby. Do a walk around video or walk around portion of the car. No smokes. Tail lights work. Probably should have dusted it off, wiped it down before I started this video. Pull this out for a moment. Floor mats are in great shape. Back on the hook. There we go. That back in there. We're almost up to temperature. In fact, I think we are up to temperature. I'm gonna pop the hood first and show everybody. Let's go to the front. Again, the hood is popped right there. Idle's fine. Pretty sure that's the OEM alternator. Everything is pretty much OEM that I'm aware of. So whenever we bought the car, me and my buddy bought the car, we had to replace the battery box and also the hood insulator. And the receipt in the glove box are for the pins for the insulator. Also, whenever we bought it, we had to buy a new headlight thing. I'm not really sure what this is called. I'm sure the experts know what it's called and can help with that. Everything is good at working order. City lights are working. Close the door right quick. Try and close it again. Have to put some force behind it a little bit. Let me try and get up under the car as well. Maybe that'll help. The bumpers have never been replaced, to my knowledge. The headlight covers have been repainted, as well as the hood and the front bumper. Other than that, nothing else has been repainted. To my knowledge, the reason they painted everything was because of rock chips for the hood, or for the front bumper, and then there was a small limb that scratched the hood, and I guess they had to blend the headlight covers. Sure, we're up to temperature now. Kind of wipe down from sitting on the ground, laying on the ground. Jump back in it. That was the seat adjusting. Let me cut it off now. Warm start. Cranks and runs and drives beautifully. And that'll conclude this video.